heute. Today we're doing Exposing My Classmates Part 1. I wanted to say for graduations for Sarah, aber there's a big problem at my schools. There are a lot of fights bei mine. Nicht so viele. Aber it's okay when it's latest Maline fighters. So für den Trouble kistet immer so Fights. Macht es Ford, Emmanuel, Mohammed und Eamon. Oder vielleicht Lucy. Sie first. Aber this needs to be not worried, but I'm please worried because we talked a lot about unser zweiter Sport bei Donnerstag. So, für heute wird es Runde und Verkommnis. Like runterkommen, aber for everything to be understood is all the time for this to be understood. Because I hope it will be soon. Because I hope it will be stop fighting. Think it will never stop because Eamon won't stop saying mean stuff. But I one thing to say is sometimes Ford oder not sometimes Emmanuel. Aber auch nicht jedes Mal Emmanuel. I'm not sure about exposing my classmates will be that hard. But I swear we'll be fine, but I'm not okay. But I'm definitely sure everything will be okay. But I'm not sure about my school, how it feels like. But I wanted to say, like I said, graduation for Sarah joining our class. I'm so happy for you for joining for 7 Jahre alt. Aber ist halt so, wegen nicht so jung. Wie ein Baby, wegen sie ist sehr jung, aber nicht so jung wie ein Baby. So vielleicht 7, aber we're talking about the new kid that joined. It was früher bei April, when we Oster geendet habe, aber I don't know when it's not about time will we talk about, but we're definitely sure we can work out with this. Aber I'm not sure why and how hard it is to be loving, caring for each other and not fight all the time. But I'm definitely sure if you come to my school, I definitely would did with you to not go to my school, but you should go back to your parents that you want a different school, because this if you're in my class different. But let's start with the classroom. As soon as you tell the teacher when she's in the room, dass Eamon was getan hat, und dann wird er immediately sagen, hä? Was habe ich getan? Und dass du redest, sagt er einfach, ich habe gar nichts getan. Oder manchmal sagt er leise. Oder manchmal der wie es gesagt. Aber that is immer okay. But if we are talking about Eamon and my classmates, it will be okay. sometimes you get annoyed when he talks that about it. Because I reminded you, sometimes there are fight between Mohammed and because Mohammed all the time feels sad angry when Ayman made some saying bad words. So he hits. That's not actually gonna happen. He doesn't get a black eye. Just did it for jokes. So you know they are sometimes fighting. But sometimes, yeah, he does fight back. He does fight back. And sometimes he fight back too. And I swear you get out of there immediately. Just run. Just run. Just run. Quickly. Quickly run. Because you don't want to be noticed fighting. I don't think you will be noticed. But I swear to God, the black eye is just for... But if I'm in school, I definitely think that they are gonna get a black eye. But then they notice the school bells ring. Means pauses umandini. Zu wieder zu die Klasse zu gehen. Man setzt sich so schon hin. As well, me. And as well, I didn't make the rest of my classmates, but I am gonna make them. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to show that, but I want to show you how I custom made. But I'm just wanted to tell you for this video that I'm gonna change the thing what I'm doing. Because I'm trying my best to match my classmates' colors. I shouldn't have done that for real, but it's sehr hard to match them for memories. But I don't have enough for Ford and Lucy. But I do have enough for Sarah and Thea and Emmanuel. But everything would be okay if, yeah, wir sind in der Klasse, aber I'm definitely sure I'm definitely sure, dass Yoga-Spieler sind wird in die 3. Klasse. I'm gonna be nice and give them their favorite colors. Some of them are not their favorite colors, and let me tell you, Thea and Lucy relationship is sometimes not good. Sometimes good, but sometimes it's bad, but sometimes they be back together like nothing ever happened. Like, wow. Okay, next, oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot to make the rest. Oh my God, the Werbung Dynamics. Oh yeah, you can have a wild Werbung break, as you can't hear it, because I don't want to do it. But as well as I'm making Sarah, and I'm trying to stop from crying. I don't know what I'm thinking right now because my brain gets random ideas. Yeah, as I was saying, exposing my just loving doing stuff like I supposed not to do, but like I wanted to do sounds. I like to do a background sound so it doesn't look boring and stuff. So again, trying to make something I don't fucking remember eye color, but it's okay. I just take that ugly cat t-shirt off, and now let's try to make something. Why does it look like that? I'm just gonna say why. looks pretty, but I kind of need to change it to darker so it doesn't look pretty. But now we're trying to look up by just getting camera stuff. I think I'm but yet I'm still learning. Or maybe I'm a fast typer. Just saying the truth that I'm not a fast typer, so then I'm not good at typer because that's why I say I'm exposing my classmates. I'm trying to make Emmanuel. I'm definitely sure nothing is going to darker, but I'm gonna go with this. I can change it in the next story. Yeah. I'm sure everything is gonna be alright, but I'm sure nothing is gonna happen or anything else. As I said, I'm gonna make Emmanuel as possible so I can continue exposing my class. I'm not sure, but I'm definitely saying it's not sus. But I do have class. So as I was saying, sorry for the cut there. It's because it's kind of a little bit tiring. Yeah, sorry for doing that again, but I just want to wait, I already did that shit. I'm a little bit forgetful. I don't know how to shoot TS, so I use the microphone sometimes. I'm a YouTuber, and sometimes I'm a live content creator, and sometimes a Dandy's World Challenger. And as you've seen, I'm a background character, and the teacher doesn't see me. She thinks I'm a normal student not talking. But soon as possible it be. As I'm gonna change as well soon, I do need to change some of the name. So like I did to Mohammed and the character that is you. Kind of change the eye color because his eye color is not pink, and I'm definitely sure that everything is gonna be alright. Yeah, change it to boy. Werbung break again, but small it's short. Or maybe long. I think it's a long one, like the whole Werbung. If you like this video, then like and subscribe. But if you want to do that, then it's okay. Just go to the comments and say I like this video. It doesn't matter if you want to like or subscribe. Oh yeah, I also forgot about his glasses. Can't forget about his glasses. His glasses are blue. No. Let me do glasses distance and voila. I am in my bed, by the way, and I'm definitely sure. Just looking. Oh yeah, and don't forget about his name. Not forget about his name. Your name. Know how long it took, and outside is Nacht. And the Tag. I don't know. If you're watching this video by Tag, then it's dark. By the because by different country they are not talk. And I always I would but told you that if you ever want to be a YouTuber, and then don't give up. Or maybe you have other dream, but you slow. Or maybe you're tired and already an adult and can't make it to life. Maybe that's your dream, to go somewhere super expensive. Maybe don't give up on your dream. But now, as the teacher told us, with its next motto, the Deutsch and Finley shirt. Finley, a little bit tiring, but I'm definitely sure the stand-up and background kept it. But I'm sorry, but this video got to end. Part 3 is coming soon. It's gonna take a while. And I hope you enjoyed, because the longer you enjoy, I entertain you. If not, that's okay.